In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by tapping on an app to use in this view and accessing Tap menu. Now you need to look for a floating window shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then click on this tiny window. As you can see, now I can use my app in pop-up view. To move your window around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To resize it, hold one of its corners and scale it. When you find the perfect size, let go. If you wish to use this app in full screen view, you can hold this lower line over here and drag it all the way down. When you see a white area, let go. To close your app completely, you can use the same line. This time though, swipe it up. You can always click on one of your apps and access it in the background. Then to use it in pop-up view, hold it and click on this icon below two rectangles. Then operate it the same way. You can also close your window by swiping it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!